Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you all have your notebooks with you. So today we will start with the question answers of chapter 5, festivals. First, I will discuss with you. You will listen carefully and then you will write down. ठीक है? चलो हम start करेंगे. Festival. Answer these questions. Am I audible? Okay, right. Whose effigies do people burn on Dussehra? Whose effigies do people burn on Dussehra? दुशहरा वाले दिन किसके पुतले जलाए जाते हैं? ठीक है, हम दुशहरा देखने जाते हैं. 9 डेज तक रामलीला होती है. 10th डे को दुशहरा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और उस दिन 3 जो पुतले हैं वो जलाए जाते हैं. वो किसके होते हैं? आंसर. People burn effigies of number 1, number 2, number 3, हम नंबर 1 note down this question. My voice is breaking, must be some technical problem, beti. You note down this question. Ravana, not Rama. राम नहीं है केशव. आप चैट बॉक्स पे नहीं लिखोगे. You will not write in the chat box. Okay, now you will not write in the chat box. You will write in your notebooks. Question is in your book. You can keep the line for the question and you can write question afterward also. Number डाल लो, question number 1, and please write answer so that you can reduce on Dussehra. People burn effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad. Then I will write next question. जिसने लिख लिया है आप क्वेश्चन का नंबर डाल लो, आंसर लिख लो, बुक आपके पास है. इसके बाद जिसने लिख लिया है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 डालो. पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे और फिर उसके बाद आप लिखोगे. Who has done? Write in chat box. I have pasted attendance link again. Who have not filled the attendance can fill attendance now. Harnoor, आपने hand raise किया है. What do you want to say? No response. Okay. Who have done? Write in chat box. Done. Done. Okay. Ravana, रावण, कुंभकर्ण रावण था और मेघनाथ रावण सॉरी कुंभकर्ण रावण का ब्रदर था और मेघनाथ रावण का सन था. Now note down Note down second question. Why is Diwali called the festival of lights? Second question is, why is Diwali called the festival of lights? Diwali. Why is Diwali called the festival of lights? दिवाली को हम फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स बोलते हैं because on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. दिवाली वाले दिन भगवान राम 14 years फॉरेस्ट में जंगलों में रहने के बाद अयोध्या अपने नगर में अपने शहर में अयोध्या वापस आए थे. उनके आने की खुशी में लोगों ने दिए जलाए थे. That's why there was lightning everywhere. That's why Diwali is called Festival of Lights. Next, people light diyas, candles and electric bulbs. और इस दिन लोग दिया जलाते हैं, कैंडल्स जलाते हैं और इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब जलाते हैं और हर तरफ लाइट ही लाइट होती है, ठीक है, जो कि बहुत ही सुंदर लगती है. That's why Diwali is called the festival of lights. Now I will write answer and you will write with me. Pallavi Sharma, you will note down with me. ठीक है, but after the meeting I will share the PDF of question answers in group also. But this is to reduce your screen time. Note down with me. Okay? Diwali is called the festival of lights. Festival of lights because Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya because Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya 14 years of exile. The festival of lights. Ayodhya exile. से बाहर निकाल दिया गया था. उसके बाद 14 वापस अयोध्या आए थे. So people lighted diyas, so people light diyas, candles and electric bulbs on this day. People light diyas, candles and electric bulbs. There is light everywhere, so this is called Festival of Lights. I'll take it. Don't worry. Take your time. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights because Lord Rama of exile. So people light diyas, candles on this day. That is why Festival of Lights. Pallavi, stop eating and drinking. Note down these questions. Question number 3. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights because Lord Rama returned. Number Tanya. Now note down third question is note as I told you that before class you should have your books and notebooks with you. Pencil, eraser, everything. Manmeet Kaur, are you writing? Okay. अगर आप नोट कर लोगे note it down. Ranveer Singh, please. Very good. I can see you. This is good. गुरसिमर नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आपने क्लास में बैठना है तो आपने प्रॉपर शर्ट पहन के बैठना है बेटा जी. ठीक है, थम्स अप शो करो मेरे को. प्रॉपर टी शर्ट पहन के बैठ जाओ. ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं बैठना क्लास में. Third question is, when is Eid celebrated? When is Eid celebrated? ईद हम कब मनाते हैं? Eid is the most important festival of Muslims. Eid comes after the holy month of Ramzan. जब रमजान का मंथ खत्म होता है तो ईद मनाई जाती है. ठीक है? Eid is the famous festival of Muslims. It is celebrated after the holy month of Ramzan. ईद वाले दिन लोग पूजा करने कहाँ जाते हैं? Mosque. When is the thumbs up? Good. Third question is, when is Eid celebrated? Okay, now we will write answer. Eid is the most important festival of Muslims. First, Eid is the most important festival of Muslims. Point number two, second, Eid comes after the holy month of Ramzan. Then is heat is the heat comes after the burnt off from ground. Yes, I can see all of you. Very good. This is very good to see all of you writing. कहाँ घूम रहे हो? शुभकर्मन, शुभकर्मन, बेटा आपको घूमना नहीं है? Please note down your work with me. गिरीश कैमरा ऑन करो. Very good. All of you are writing. This is very good. Good. शाबाश. व्यान चोपड़ा, कैमरा. कृपी निश्चल, जसलीन. वानी विनायक, रासरजीत, गैती, प्रियांश, cameras are off. फतेहदीप, कृति अग्रवाल, इनायत, मान्या, कनिका, मनन वोरा. Cameras are off. पुलकित बत्रा, समर्थ अग्रवाल, switch on your cameras. After this, we will question number 4. Question number 4. I have pasted attendance link again. If you have filled your attendance, that's fine. If you still not have filled your attendance, please fill attendance again. बार बार नहीं भरनी, just once. Number 2. Eid comes after the Karamjot Singh. Show me notebook, Karamjot. Show me notebook. जहां पे आप लिख रहे हो मेरे को नोटबुक दिखाओ करमचोत. नोटबुक बच्चे. करमचोत नोटबुक दिखाओ जहां पे लिखा आपने. अपने फेस के आगे करो नोटबुक. दिस इज वेरी बैड. जिसने लिख लिया मेरे को नोटबुक दिखाओ, ऐसे करके शो करो नोटबुक अपनी. गुड. रिधिमा, शाबाश. ध्रुव, हैव यू डन? गुड. नोटबुक दिखाओ ध्रुव मेरे को. गुड. शाबाश, शाबाश. प्रभुन, सौम्या, फतेह, दिलप्रीत. नोटबुक दिखाओ दिलप्रीत. दिलप्रीत सिंह नोटबुक दिखाइए. गुड बेटे. नोटबुक दिखाओ. हाँ जी. Now there is next question. Why do we celebrate गांधी जयंती? हम गांधी जयंती क्यों मनाते हैं? आंसर इज, मैं अनम्यूट करूंगी, आप में से मेरे को कोई बताएगा पहले. पल्लवी आप बताइए. अनम्यूट कीजिए पल्लवी अपने आप को फास्ट. Why do we celebrate गांधी जयंती? हम गांधी जयंती क्यों मनाते हैं? पल्लवी बोलिए. चलो पल्लवी इतना बोल दो, गांधी जयंती कब मनाते हैं?
गांधी जी का बर्थडे होता है उस दिन.
वेरी गुड पल्लवी. Now I will write question number 4 on the board. Why Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? And the answer is, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. हम गांधी जयंती 2nd October को मनाते हैं every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. ये महात्मा गांधी का बर्थडे है और महात्मा गांधी is the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. He started many movements to free the country from the British rule. So he is our father of nation, and we celebrate 2nd October as his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Now we will write the answer. First, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. हम गांधी जयंती 2nd October को मनाते हैं. Second point, it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. ये महात्मा गांधी जी का बर्थडे होता है, जो कि हमारे notebook show करो, like from your notebook, Varesh Panga. Varesh Panga, show me notebook. No response. This is the last question we will do. I will share you can cross it, but please. Yes, complete the work. All are writing. Yes. Ritima, have you done today? Good. Complete your work. Thank you very much.